Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing doubt. Open the battery compartment and install fresh cells because low voltage causes flaky readings. Once done, check the lens immediately. Tiny dust or smudges skew the infrared signal, so blow and gently wipe the optics. Next, make sure the unit is set to the correct temperature scale and the emissivity setting matches the surface type. Otherwise, the thermometer will report wrong values even when the sensor is fine. You now verify accuracy by measuring a reference target. For example, ice water gives about 0 degrees Celsius, and boiling water near sea level gives roughly 100 degrees C. While you measure, make sure to adjust emissivity, skin, and matte objects need around 0.95, whereas shiny metals require much lower values. This explains many consistent offsets. Also, keep the proper distance using the D/S ratio stamped on the device. Aim closer for small targets to ensure the sensor sees only the intended spot. You finish by power cycling or performing the factory reset to clear software glitches. This often restores normal operation. If problems persist, check for firmware updates from the manufacturer and apply them, because calibration logic can improve with updates. For stubborn hardware faults, replace the sensor module or the entire unit. If none of that works, document error codes and compare readings with a second thermometer to determine whether you have a
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.